Hi friends, in the video History of English Language second topic Place of English in Indo-European Family. இதோடைய MCQs தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். First question. Indo-European language are believed to derive from a hypothetical language known as dash. Answer. Proto-Indo-European. Second question. The earliest surviving written evidence of a Greek language is dash. Answer. Mycenaean. Third question. English is classified genetically as a dash of the Indo-European family of language. Answer. Low West Germanic language. Fourth question. Speakers of Proto-Indo-European PIE lived in dash. Answer. Southwest Russia around 4000 to 5000 BCE. Fifth question. In which language most of the ancient Greek poetry and prose were written? Answer. Attic. Sixth question. Most of the important literary works of the Old English period were written in the dash dialect. Answer. West Saxon. Seventh question. Dash language was also highly influential as word had many endings corresponding to cases. Answer. Proto-Indo-European language. Eighth question. Old English had dash plural markers. Answer. A number of. Ninth question. English is a member of language family known as Germanic language. What is the closest linguistic relative to modern English? Answer. Frisian. 10th question. Hungarian is related most closely to which of the following language? Answer. Estonian. 11th question. Does have a large number of branches? Answer. Indo-European languages. 12th question. What are the Indo-European language branches? Answer. Anatolian, Indo-Iranian, Greek, Italic, Celtic, Germanic, American, Tocharian, Balto, Slavic and Albanian. Thirteenth question. What is the name given to an original homogeneous language? Answer. Indo-European. 14th question. Old English has descended from the dash branch of the Indo-European family. Answer. Germanic. 15th question. Celtic branch contained two sub-branches. Answer. Continental Celtic and Insular Celtic. Thank you for watching friends. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா ப்ளீஸ் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். உங்களுக்கு இதே மாதிரி வேறு எதுக்கும் இன்னும் MCQs வேணும்னாலும் நீங்கள் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், நான் கண்டிப்பாக அப்லோட் பண்ணுறேன். பாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்.